Hi guys, so we are at Barcroft level crossing in South Yorkshire with Joe and Paul Gilman. There we go, time is 13:41 on Friday the 8th of April 2016, and this is for our our slight delay 13:34, 1 Sierra 16 Virgin train service from Lincolnshire Cross to Inverness, and expected 39, and our 13:41 5:57 Charlie service from Doncaster up Decoy to Tyne SS. I like the RAC thing in the corner of your tablet. It's starting to rain now. Here she is. Is this the Inverness one? Got 43,307. 43,307 and 43,300 Craig and Tinney to Inverness. And we're staying. Oh, they go. Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video.